So this is the money I won tonight, my first video. Did you know that I don't have a plan to go to casino, but since I was able I successfully created my video now, my YouTube channel. So what happened is I decided to go to casino to go to casino tonight for my first video, and I'm happy it's a success. I won tonight, but I have to practice, like I have to control myself. You know, gambling is really an addiction, so I have to control myself not to be addicted. So I have to control. Since I won, it will be take a while before you can see my next video, because I'm not going back to casino to return this money. That's why the title of my YouTube channel is Beat the Casinos. No, gambling is addiction. If you don't have control with it, it can it can destroy your financial. It will put you in a situation, financial situation that you don't like, and also it might break your family, because if you have financial problems because you're gambling, it will break your family, and then I don't want to happen that to my family. I love my family, so I will control myself. I will just go there for my blog here, but it's not often as like you see video of me every minute. No, I will not do that, because if I'm gonna do that, I will lose money. I'm not beating the casino, but the casino will beat me. So this is how I do. It will take a while, probably 3 weeks or 4 weeks before I will going back to casino. I'll never return this money.